Shweta Roy, your English Master Teacher at Vedantu. So first of all, I would like to ask all of you, how many of you are lovers of literature? How many of you love reading? How many of you are in love with the subject? So most of you would be saying yes, we do love literature, and those of you who are saying no would also fall in love with literature after watching this video. Even if you don't fall in love with literature, you would definitely understand the importance of literature in today's world of science and technology. So stay tuned, guys.
Have you ever thought of a world without literature? Let's take you there. Look at the adverse effect of technology causing mass destruction. Instead of advancing the civilization, when men use this power to destroy masses, it is primarily because they lack the humanity which literature gives us. The pandemic situation which we are experiencing serves as a warning of what a world without literature and moral values might lead to.
So, students, you have already seen what disaster it could bring if science and technology goes to the wrong hands. So, guys, who is now going to tell you what is wrong and what is right? Who is now going to inculcate into you the moral values so that you do not misuse science and technology, rather, you use it for the benefit of mankind, for the advancement of the civilization? That is done by literature. Herein, we enter into the importance of literature in the world of science and technology. So, literature helps the readers to see life through the eyes of others and helps gain a new perspective on living. Don't you agree? The epics of Homer, Plato, Horace, Virgil are the beacons of literature. Great literary works like the Bible, Quran, and Indian epics like Ramayana and Mahabharata provide society with guiding principles of life. And herein comes the far-sighted, the people with far sight. Who is giving that far sight to you? It is done by literature, which makes you humane, which imbibes in you the power of humanity. Non-fictional works like biographies of people, real life stories of courage, sacrifice, and other such values never fail to inspire its readers. So, who gives you the motivation? It comes from literature. So, guys, also literature is the only subject which with the help of which we you can express whatever you feel like, right? The other subjects In the other subjects you are expressing what they have written, they have told, but literature gives you that power to express whatever you feel like, right? So is there any other subject which gives you that power, guys? So if you are a student of literature or if you are a lover of literature, you are powerful, you have that power in you, right? Because pen is mightier than the sword, guys, right? So I'm going to end this session with a powerful quote by Einstein, the greatest scientist. And if you know, Einstein was not just the great scientist that we know, he was also a great human being. Okay, and he says it has become appallingly obvious that our technology has exceeded our humanity. So, guys, don't let the tools which you have made, let it be your tools, do not let it be the master of you, otherwise you have seen what disaster it has already caused. So time is still there, let's embrace humanity. And how are we going to embrace that? If and only if we give importance, equal importance to science, to literature, right? So thank you, guys. I hope you understood the importance of literature, which many of us think is fading away somehow in the era of science and technology. So let it not fade away. Okay, because it has a tremendous importance. If that importance fades away, then we will go one step back, as we have right now. You can see, right? So don't let it happen, guys. It is all on you, on your shoulders, right? So thank you. If you have loved the session, then do subscribe, do like, and do share the videos as much as possible, guys. So take care. Bye bye. See you again in the next session.